Tone Patch is widely appreciated by many users as a convenient and thoughtfully designed wellness patch that fits naturally into everyday life, offering a simple way to support personal health and lifestyle goals without adding complexity to a daily routine. One of the most appealing features of this product is its effortless application, as it can be placed directly on the skin and worn comfortably for long periods while a person continues with their normal activities. Unlike traditional supplements that require remembering to take capsules or mixing powders at specific times, this patch provides a more practical alternative by working passively in the background throughout the day. Many individuals find this approach extremely helpful because it removes the stress of managing multiple health products and instead allows them to focus on maintaining healthy habits in a more relaxed and consistent manner. The lightweight and breathable design of the patch is another aspect that users frequently highlight, as it makes the product comfortable enough for extended wear without causing irritation or inconvenience. Because it is discreet and flexible, the patch can easily be worn under clothing whether someone is at work, exercising, traveling, or simply going about normal daily tasks, making it suitable for a wide range of lifestyles. Another positive aspect that stands out for many people is how the patch encourages a gradual and balanced approach to wellness rather than promoting extreme or unrealistic expectations. Users often appreciate that the concept behind Tone Patch focuses on supporting healthy habits and mindful living over time, which aligns well with individuals who believe that sustainable lifestyle improvements are more effective than quick fixes. Many people report that wearing the patch acts as a gentle reminder of their health goals, helping them stay more conscious of daily choices such as eating balanced meals, avoiding unnecessary snacking, drinking enough water, and staying active throughout the day. This sense of awareness can be incredibly valuable because maintaining consistency is often the biggest challenge when trying to improve overall well-being. By providing a simple wearable reminder, Tone Patch helps users stay focused on their long-term wellness journey without feeling overwhelmed by complicated routines or strict regimens. The comfort and usability of the patch are also frequently mentioned as reasons why users enjoy incorporating it into their routine, because it is designed to be lightweight and skin-friendly, allowing many people to wear it for hours without even noticing it. Its discreet nature adds another level of convenience since it remains hidden under clothing, enabling users to carry on with work, travel, workouts, or social activities without feeling self-conscious. Many individuals also appreciate how the patch aligns with a balanced lifestyle, encouraging them to stay motivated and committed to healthier habits while still maintaining their regular responsibilities and routines. The convenience of simply applying a patch and continuing the day without needing to think about it repeatedly makes the product particularly attractive to people with busy schedules who want a low-maintenance wellness solution. Over time, users often describe feeling more motivated and mindful about their daily routines, which can gradually support improvements in overall lifestyle choices and well-being. Overall, Tone Patch is commonly viewed as an innovative, comfortable, and practical wellness accessory that blends modern convenience with everyday usability, giving people a simple yet effective way to stay connected to their personal health goals while maintaining a balanced and active lifestyle. Additionally, many users mention that the patch provides a sense of consistency and reassurance because it remains active throughout the day, quietly supporting their wellness journey without requiring constant attention, which makes it especially appealing for individuals who want a dependable and easy-to-use product that integrates smoothly into long-term healthy living habits.